Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can get access to the latest TikTok followers tweak. With this tweak you'll be able to gain as many followers as you want. You have to make sure you've got the official TikTok app downloaded, but as you can see I've already got the TikTok Plus version here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up and just see how many I've had. So currently I've had 22,000 new followers so far, and that's only in the last 2-3 days since I've actually installed this. The way this works is you need to have the official app installed in order for the actual tweak to then create a shortcut version for the the TikTok Plus. So what we're going to need to do first of all as well is we're going to have to go to our settings, guys. Once you're on there, just go ahead and scroll down and look for privacy. Open up privacy and just make sure that your location services is actually turned off. We're going to turn that off for this one. You can go ahead and turn that back on once you've actually finished installing the tweak, so that's not a problem at all. The other thing you're going to need to do as well is go to your battery and just make sure that the lower power mode is turned off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go ahead and uninstall the latest tweak that I've got for the TikTok, and we're going to go to the website and go ahead and then install it. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to go to the website. So if you're on the iPhone, you want to open up Safari. What you want to do now is you want to go to elitetweaks.com. That's elitetweaks.com. You can see it clearly here in the address bar. Really easy to remember, guys. elitetweaks.com. So once you're there, you've got one or two options. You can either scroll down and look for it, or you may see it on the top rated apps scrolling across here, or you can just search for it in the address bar here, which is obviously really easy to find. So once you've done that, you're going to want to go ahead and just have a quick look, and it will tell you that you can get your likes, your followers for TikTok, and go ahead and click on download now. And what's going to happen now is it's going to start unpacking all the files and directories. You may need to do a verification process. I've already used it on my phone, so it will automatically download to my phone without me having to verify it again, but you may need to do it on your first installation process. So let's go ahead and find it on my phone now. Okay, so we're back on the phone, and as we can see, it's reinstalled the TikTok Plus. So if we go ahead and open it up, it should now tell us it's been installed. Brilliant. So TikTok Plus, success, your TikTok has been upgraded, unlimited followers now available. So now what I can do is I can sit back and just watch all of the followers coming in. I can see I've already most likely got a new one there already. And remember, guys, you must have the official TikTok app installed on your phone in order for this to work, because the website will unpack all the files and directories and it will actually install the tweak as a shortcut on your phone. And then you'll be able to go ahead and open up the tweak and you'll be able to get all of the followers you need. This is working right now, so go ahead and try out. Thanks a lot, guys.